Are you still wasting hours clicking through menus and hunting for tiny sliders just to make a simple cut or color adjustment? Most creators are stuck in a slow-motion workflow because they're using tools designed for spreadsheets, not storytelling. Today, we are ending the mouse and keyboard struggle and revealing the secret weapons that the world's most elite editors use to finish projects in half the time. Stick around until the very end, because the last item on our list isn't just a controller, it's a complete studio command center that will fundamentally change how you look at your desk setup. Welcome to Tech Trek Net. I'm your host. Now watch this. We're kicking things off with the TourBox Elite Plus, and this isn't just another plastic remote. It's an ergonomic masterpiece designed to feel like an extension of your own hand. This year, they've finally unlocked the full potential of mobile creativity by bringing deep Bluetooth support to the iPad, meaning your Procreate and LumaFusion sessions just got a professional upgrade. The haptic feedback is the star of the show here, giving you a physical mechanical click every time you rotate a knob so you can feel your brush size or timeline zoom without ever looking down. With a non-symmetrical layout built for blind operation, you'll build muscle memory in days, reducing your hand movement by 60% and letting your creativity flow at the speed of thought. You can map complex macros that execute with a single press, allowing you to stay in the zone while the hardware handles the heavy lifting of your shortcuts. It's built with 7 years of industry expertise to ensure that whether you are painting or color grading, the response is instantaneous and the build quality feels premium in your palm. It works seamlessly with your drawing tablet or mouse to minimize wrist fatigue during those marathon editing sessions that used to leave you reaching for the ibuprofen. Next up is the legendary Elgato Stream Deck MK2, the gold standard for anyone who needs a visual map of their entire digital empire. Featuring 15 fully customizable LCD keys, this device allows you to trigger complex macros, launch social posts, or adjust your lighting with a single tap. The real magic happens in the Elgato marketplace, where you can download specialized plugins for Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and even Spotify to keep your vibe right while you work. It's not just for streamers anymore. It's a productivity powerhouse that lets you organize your entire editing workflow into nested folders, effectively putting hundreds of shortcuts right under your thumb in a sleek, swappable faceplate design. You can set up smart profiles that automatically switch your button layout based on which app you have open, meaning your Photoshop keys disappear the second you click over to your video editor. This visual feedback loop eliminates the need to memorize keyboard shortcuts, making it the most intuitive way to manage a high-speed production environment without ever missing a beat. Whether you are muting your mic midstream or launching a complex render sequence, the MK2 gives you total command with a single, satisfying press. Then we have the heavy hitter from the world of peripherals, the Logitech MX Creative Console. This two-piece system is a dream come true for the Adobe Power user, featuring a dedicated keypad for actions and a separate weighted analog dial pad for precision control. The low-friction dial is buttery smooth, making it the perfect tool for scrubbing through high-resolution timelines or fine-tuning exposure sliders in Lightroom with surgical accuracy. Because it's built with deep native integration for the Creative Cloud, it feels less like an add-on and more like a core part of the software itself. It even comes with a 3-month Adobe membership to get you started, making it the ultimate aesthetic and functional upgrade for any professional workspace. The stand is adjustable for flexible placement, and the Bluetooth connectivity for the dial pad means you can clear the clutter while keeping the power. You can assign tools and actions to up to 15 keypad pages, giving you a deep library of commands that appear right at your fingertips with custom uploaded icons. It is a sleek, professional solution for those who demand both style and substance in their daily creative grind. Now let's talk about the ULANZI D200X, which is easily the Swiss Army knife of this entire lineup. ULANZI realized that creators don't just need more buttons, they need more ports, so they built a high-end 8-in-1 USB-C hub directly into this stream controller. You get 14 LCD keys and 3 precision knobs, but turn it around and you'll find a 4K HDMI port, 10 gigabit data transfer ports, and an SD card reader. It's the perfect solution for the traveling editor who needs to kill cable clutter while keeping professional-grade tactile control over OBS, Final Cut, and CapCut, all from one aerospace-grade aluminum chassis. The built-in docking station supports 100-watt power delivery, so your laptop stays charged while you're pumping out content at record speed. This device eliminates the need for extra dongles and transforms any desk into a professional-grade studio with zero latency. It's built for durability and stability with a non-slip base, ensuring that even during your most intense live broadcasts, your command center stays exactly where you need it. For the minimalist artist who needs to stay light on their feet, the XP-Pen Mini Keydial ACK05 is honestly a wireless revelation that weighs only 75 grams. Don't let the small footprint fool you. This little remote packs a massive 1000 mAh battery that lasts for 300 hours of continuous creation. It's designed to be held in one hand while you draw with the other, offering a physical dial with clear auditory feedback and the ability to program up to 40 different shortcuts. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or even Linux, this Good Design Award winner provides a stable Bluetooth connection that turns any coffee shop or airplane tray table into a high-speed production studio. The anti-ghosting performance allows you to press multiple keys at once for complex shortcut combinations, giving you more creative possibilities in a device that fits in your pocket. It's the perfect companion for anyone who uses a drawing tablet and wants to regain the screen real estate lost to on-screen menus. With its elegant thin profile and intuitive dot markings for blind identification, it's a masterclass in portable productivity. Rounding out our main list is the ULANZI D100H, a tactile specialist that focuses on the two most important elements of editing, the knob and the buttons. This controller features a premium aluminum alloy knob with built-in motor vibration feedback, giving you a physical thump when you hit your marks on a timeline or reach a specific color grade parameter. It's a Bluetooth 5.1 powerhouse that can switch between your PC, Mac, and iPad instantly, making it the ideal companion for creators who jump between devices throughout the day. With 7 customizable buttons designed for one-handed blind operation, it strips away the fluff and gives you exactly what you need to master your edits with zero latency. The 1000 mAh battery charges quickly and provides long-lasting performance for both the office and the editing suite. It's incredibly easy to set up with ULANZI Studio software, allowing you to map system volume, brightness, or complex macro strings in seconds. This is the device for the creator who wants precise, tactile control without the steep learning curve of more complex consoles. Now let's recap why these tools are the essential pillars of your new workflow, starting with the TourBox Elite Plus. This remains the champion of ergonomics, especially for those moving between a desktop and an iPad, because it prioritizes the health of your wrist while pushing your drawing efficiency to nearly 200%. It's the choice for the artist who wants to forget the hardware exists and just create without the constant distraction of keyboard hunting. The haptic feedback and the diverse button shapes make it impossible to press the wrong thing, even in the dark. It simply works better than anything else in its class. The Stream Deck MK 2 stays the king of versatility because of its visual feedback. Being able to see exactly what a button does before you press it eliminates the guesswork and makes it the most beginner-friendly way to automate a complex studio. Its massive library of community-driven plugins means that as new software and platforms emerge, your Stream Deck will always be at the cutting edge of what's possible. It's more than a shortcut remote. It's a living piece of tech that evolves with your career. Whether you are launching a stream, controlling your lighting, or managing a massive video project, the visual clarity of those 15 LCD keys ensures you are always in total control. The Logitech MX Creative Console is the undisputed winner for the Adobe-centric professional who values a premium feel and deep software hooks. Its split design allows you to position the dial exactly where your non-dominant hand rests, creating a balanced and high-end editing experience that feels like $1 million studio. The native integration with Premiere and Photoshop means the dial acts intelligently depending on what tool you have selected, making it a massive time saver for repetitive tasks. It's a sophisticated tool for a sophisticated user, bringing the tactile satisfaction of an analog studio into the modern digital age. Meanwhile, the ULANZI D200X is the hero for the clutter-hating creator, combining a professional docking station with a macro keypad in a single, high-durability unit. It's the only device on this list that actually gives you back desk space while increasing your control, making it a mandatory pick for anyone running a multi-screen or high-data setup. The ability to offload your SD cards and connect a 4K monitor while simultaneously controlling your OBS scenes makes it a unique powerhouse in the market. It simplifies your life by centralizing your power and your production tools, allowing you to focus on the content rather than the cables. If portability is your primary concern, the XP-Pen Keydial ACK05 is the one to beat, offering more shortcuts per square inch than almost anything else on the market. Its anti-ghosting technology and massive battery life mean you can work faster and longer without ever feeling tethered to a desk or a power outlet. It's the perfect bridge between the desktop experience and the mobile world, giving you the tactile satisfaction of a physical dial even when you're working on a laptop at a local park. The lightweight design doesn't sacrifice functionality, providing 40 customizable shortcuts that can handle even the most complex design workflows. Finally, the ULANZI D100H is the precision tool for the colorist and the cutter who needs haptic confirmation for every move they make. That vibrating knob feedback is a game changer that you have to feel to believe, providing a level of physical connection to your digital footage that a standard mouse simply can't replicate. It's simple, it's effective, and it's built to solve the specific problems of modern video editors. The ability to switch between 3 devices makes it the perfect centerpiece for a multi-computer setup, ensuring that your most important tool is always ready to go. It doesn't overwhelm you with hundreds of buttons you'll never use. Instead, it perfects the few that you use every single minute. It's a focused, high-performance controller that proves sometimes less is more when it comes to professional creative work. That's it for today's roundup. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description. See you next time on Tech Trek Net. And hey, make sure the background music is house music and hip-hop beats.